As about 2 minutes ago, the demolition continued, with this wall right behind me being knocked down for the right-of-way for the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road.
Today, one of the biggest real estate investments and the biggest tourist attraction in Lagos, Nigeria, called Landmark, is getting demolished due to the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road construction. But will this demolition go down in history as a sacrifice for our infrastructure? According to Nibe, Landmark is valued at over $200 million and it is a home to over 80 businesses and also provides more than 4,000 direct jobs. It also generates over 2 billion naira, that is $1.5 million in annual tax revenue. It is said that the main hotel and other buildings still remains, that it is only the beach that is affected by the right of way. But the question still remains, is the Landmark Beach Resort more important than the Coastal Road project itself? Let's hear the analysis being tendered.
Where I'm standing is at Breeze Beach Club. This is actually the latest addition to the Landmark ecosystem, a members-only beach club that's not that old, and this is the ground zero for where the demolition is going to start taking place. Towards my right, inside Breeze Beach Club, they've already put markings there, marking spots for demolition, and it's expected that Breeze Beach Club will be demolished today. The wall behind me that's being demolished actually started last night, and the continuation is just happening now. You can see the level of sand filling as well that's going on right behind me. Now, this is worrisome because in as much as economic opportunity and economic diversification is important, when this property was acquired 17 years ago by Landmark, it was acquired as beachfront property. Landmark say that this was not the original route for the coastal road. The coastal road was supposed to be routed on the northern side of Landmark, which is called Water Corporation Drive. If you're familiar with this, we also know that this is a road that was revamped quite recently. So the question that Landmark ask is, why have a perfectly good road on the other side of our property, yet decide to build on this side instead? So demolition is expected to go on all day today. The Minister of Works, Senator David Umahi, is also expected to be at Landmark any moment from now to oversee these demolitions.
As far as I'm concerned, there is no problem along the Landmark issue. All the properties of Landmark, they're all saved. I visited him last night and I looked at the infrastructure, and the people were banding figures. He said that 12,000 jobs will be lost. No single job will be lost because no property is lost.
To be candid, emotions are high, the losses here are irreplaceable, and we pray compensation follows suit as promised by the federal government. So what do you think about the demolition of the Landmark project itself along the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway? Also know that there are other beaches around the Oniru axis which are also put forth for demolition, and other real estate properties. Let's see how the environment actually looked like before now.
Here for over like 3 to 4 years now, and the Landmark beach has been like a pearl like in this axis, because of the shoreline view that you have, and also because of the structures that are in it and the facilities that this place provides. So coming to see that we have this type of germ in our environment, makes me want to come. Like I come like almost every time.
There's a lot of attraction here, and then you can just imagine Your kid is asking you, "Mommy, take me to Landmark. I want to go to kids club."
Remember, according to the federal government of Nigeria, it is said that the Lagos Coastal Highway is necessary and very important for the easy movement of people and goods from the southwest down to the south of Nigeria.
That's the one and only Yato I do, and my job is to give you juicy offer when it comes to real estate itself. Imagine waking up early in the morning, seeing a beautiful sight like this from your window. That's exactly what I want to show you today. Let me show you where we have our newest wonderful location, just by this same sea view itself. Let me show you around. Alright, so let me show you around. Oh.